Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to hide the Recent Files section from your Dropbox home screen. Whether you're looking to keep your workspace tidy or want to maintain privacy, this little trick can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, open your Dropbox app on your mobile device and head straight to the Home tab. This is where Dropbox organizes your files and folders, plus a handy Recent section that shows your most recently accessed files. While this feature is useful for quick access, it might not always be what you want on display, especially if you're sharing your screen or prefer a minimalist look. Once you're on the Home tab, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Customize option right there. Tap on Customize to access your display preferences. This is where you get to decide what sections appear on your home screen. Inside the Customize menu, you'll notice a toggle switch next to the Recent section. By default, this toggle is turned on, which means your recent files are visible. To hide the Recent section, simply tap the toggle off. This will immediately disable the display of your recent files on the home screen. After toggling off the Recent section, don't forget to tap on Save. This step is crucial because it confirms your choice and updates your Dropbox settings accordingly. Once saved, go back to the Home tab, and you'll see the Recent Files section has disappeared, creating a cleaner and more focused workspace. This update doesn't delete any files. It only hides that specific section from view. You can still access your files through the Files tab or by searching directly. And if you ever want to bring the Recent section back, just follow these same steps and toggle it back on under Customize. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, open Dropbox, go to Home, scroll to Customize, toggle off Recent, and hit Save. You can easily control what you see every time you open the app. Thanks for watching.